Looking to upgrade your home interiors without the hassle? At Hala Furniture, we offer expert services that bring comfort, elegance, and precision to your doorstep. From artificial grass installation for lush, maintenance-free outdoor spaces, to smooth and seamless blinds installation that adds privacy and style. We also handle carpet installations with care, giving every room a cozy, finished look. Need curtains stitched perfectly to your window size? Our team provides custom curtain stitching and expert installation, tailored to match your interiors beautifully. And when your sofas need a fresh new look, count on our professional sofa upholstery services, designed to restore comfort and revive style. Each service is handled by trained professionals using quality materials, on-time delivery, and precise fittings. No stress, no guesswork. Just perfect results every time. Hala Furniture, bringing timeless sophistication to every corner.